Hiya, welcome back to my channel. It's Happy Me on a Budget here, Sylvia, and I've come on today 10 days later to show you my new planner for 2022. For the past few years I've been using the spirals, the spiral or whatever, and then the ordinary notebook. But when I was using the Happy Planner previous to these, I was really happy with it. It really fitted all my needs and wants, and I just really wanted to experiment with these ones. I wanted just to experiment with these. They didn't really work for me because with a Happy Planner, of course, you know that you could add and omit anytime. You can rearrange. There's a lot of room for discovery, improvements, adding, taking off. They're really interesting. This was an old one that I went through all of the supplies that I did have for it, and I found that I was very limited with the inserts. I didn't have much inserts. I've got a whole 6 months of monthly tabs, which I can use. That's perfect. But after that I have no more, and I'm finding it very difficult to get the inserts, the actual Happy Planner inserts. I have to say that we are very limited in the UK for Happy Planner supplies. We are, and most of the time it's the old stuff that you could still find online, you know, on certain websites. But thank you to Etsy. There's a lot of UK sellers on Etsy where, you know, you can purchase inserts from them, covers, dividers, you know, all sorts of different things. So that's really good to know. Absolutely good to know. But because I wanted to just start fresh, I found this one, which is the Disney Princess, and it is 12 months from January to December 2022. So I decided to purchase this one, and it is dated, even though I prefer undated. But I think the dated is going to help me a lot more than the undated. I'm really glad in a way that it is dated. It gives me a chance to just go straight to it every day and do what I've got to do. I don't have to put stickers, or I can sit and put stickers. But because it's dated, I will do a lot more. I know that for sure. So that is my new planner for 2022. This one I did start because I didn't realize I was going to get a new one. So I did start for January, and I did decorate for the month of January, and this is the first week, of course, which is the 3rd to the 9th. So I'm going to plan for the 10th to the 17th in a little while, but I'm going to start it in my new one. And I will show you my progress as I go along, whether I want to change out the discs or keep them the way they are. I have done a little bit of shopping for it, so I'm excited because I can't wait to get them. But I will definitely keep you informed. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care now. Bye.